All right, so my tools of choice, screwdriver and a rubber mallet. I finally got this stupid thing loose. Basically what I did is I didn't want to mar this too bad. You can see I've put a little bit of a ding in it. Not too bad though. It's okay. So I put this up on this lip here, the screwdriver like this. And then I just gave this a few smacks with the rubber mallet. I mean, go gently at first and then just kind of raise the pressure as you go. But once I did that, I saw that this little thing started to move. You can see there's a little bit of a gap here, and this will wiggle now. I don't want to get my hands all dirty, but yeah, so you just kind of give it a smack, twist it, make sure the e-brake's off, twist it, give it another little smack again, and just kind of go around it. Try not to mar this too much if you can keep from breaking anything. But yeah, my biggest concern was popping these studs out because these are press fit in. But yeah, that did the trick. So I'm happy it's out. I'll deal with it later, because when you take this off, you want to cover this end with something. So I'm gonna get like a bag or a latex or nitrile glove or something like that. So I'll deal with that later. But I'm just happy to have this loose.